Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. Today's video is going to be my December Boxycharm video. So today we have got some products to test out from this month of December Boxycharm, and the theme is Gift of Glam this month. It's a really cute little pink box. Sorry if like it's a little washed out because my lights are really bright and it's like super early right now and the sun is blazing in. But anyways, if you want to see what I got in this month's boxy, then just keep watching. Alright, so the reason why my eyebrows are not on is because we got this Mud Masky mineral infused double cleansing mask. It is deep cleansing, pore refining, restoring, nourishing, and hydrating, and it is for sensitive skin. So what I did is I left my skin pretty bare. As I was washing my face this morning, I was applying my serums and I realized that this is supposed to be used after washing your face immediately. So I had to like wipe off the serums and stuff. But anyways, I'm going to apply this on. So you have to apply a small amount of the cleansing mask on your face and you leave it on while you brush your teeth. But it doesn't say how long to, oh wait, it doesn't even say how long you use it, but it says it replaces your night cleanser. So I'm wondering, why do you have to remove your makeup, wash your face with, oh, okay, so this is saying that it is being used to replace your night cleanser. So I'm guessing you leave this on for a minute, because usually I wash my face for 16 seconds, but I'll leave it on for like 5 minutes. But we're just gonna go in with a little bit of this because my face is already washed, and we're going to apply it. Okay, so it does have like a pretty like watery consistency. I'm so sorry guys, it is so like, the sun is really shining today. The sun is really shining bright, but it has like this milky like consistency. So I'm just gonna apply it. So I have it on my skin now. It looks pretty like just like regular, like it just looks kind of glowy. I'm gonna leave it on for about 5 minutes and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back from washing off the mask. My skin feels super smooth. If I look a little cast, it's because I did put some sunscreen on my face. I went in with the Balm sunscreen, mineral sunscreen, really good sunscreen by the way. So another thing that we got in the box is from Algenist, and Algenist is very expensive. And this is the Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. So this is like an eye cream, which I'm really excited to try because I have been neglecting my under eyes and I do not put eye cream, and I'm noticing I'm getting like those bags underneath my eyes because I don't sleep. I sleep, but I don't sleep the way I'm supposed to. And this is $68, which is a lot of money, and it's such a nice like packaging. It's like a frosted type of jar, which I love, like these frosted types of jar packaging. But I'm really excited to use this, so I'm just gonna take a little bit. Oh, it's very thick. It's a very thick consistency. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and rub it into my under eye. I like it. I like how it feels underneath my eyes. I really love how this feels. It feels super nice. So I'm excited to see if this works like for those bags under my eyes. I have 3 more products in the box, but I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my face and I will be right back. Alright, so I am back with this basic look. My eyebrows are looking a hot mess. Just don't ask about that. Yeah, I need to get them done. So anyways, let's just keep going with the box. So we also got in this month's box this Luna Liner water resistance liquid eyeliner, and I think it's just in black. I did my wing off like camera. I did some of it on camera, but I like this eyeliner. I noticed that it is less liquidy than other eyeliners that I do have. So it is a little bit more dry formula. Now I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because I think it would be a good thing because it would last longer in the skin, but it might dry out longer. So the other thing that we got, which I'm so excited, is this mascara. I got this Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. This is actually the first tubing mascara I'm ever using. I've never used a tubing mascara before. I've heard of YouTubers talk about tubing mascaras. Like I know Thrive Cosmetics has a really popular one. But this is my first time trying a tubing mascara, so I'm just gonna try this on, if it can untwist. I actually like this mascara. It's really nice. I don't know what the purpose of tubing mascaras are. Oh, okay, so I guess tubing mascara is just like the way it comes off, but I really do like this mascara. It really volumized my eyelashes and really made them like pop. So I like it. It's nice. Alright, so the last thing that we got in this box is this highlight by Sophia and Maybell, and this is a satin powder highlight, and I got it in peach sangria. I was watching Kathleen Light's video of Boxycharm yesterday, and she used hers as a blush topper because it is more of a deeper color. It's like a pinkish rosy like copper color, so I'm actually gonna use it to highlight. I'm just gonna use my fingers. I'm gonna go in with it a little bit, just right here. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. It does look nice on deeper skin. So I'm just gonna go in with it, and I love the way it feels. It feels very putty, like not super powdery. Alright, so that is it for my December Boxycharm box. I actually liked it more than I thought I did, because when I saw it, I was like, oh, it's just, you know, skincare and some eye stuff. But I actually really like the mascara and the eyeliner, and the highlighter is beautiful. I really like that. The overall value of the December Boxycharm is $193, and I pay $26 for this box every single month, so that is a steal. But I'm really impressed by the mascara. I really do like the mascara. But that is it for this December 2021 Boxycharm video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.